Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play A Million Dreams on the clarinet. First, ensure you are holding your clarinet with good posture, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Next, form a firm but relaxed embouchure, sealing your lips around the mouthpiece to create a good tone. Remember to use your tongue to start each note cleanly, avoiding a scooping sound. We will begin with the first few notes, focusing on clear articulation and steady breath support. Now, let's tackle the first phrase of A Million Dreams. The song is typically in the key of B-flat major, with a 4/4 time signature. Begin by practicing the first 4 measures very slowly, ensuring each note is clear and in tune. Pay close attention to smooth transitions between notes, connecting them seamlessly. Remember to maintain a consistent and steady airstream throughout this section for a beautiful, sustained sound. Moving on to the second phrase, let's learn the new fingerings required for this part of the melody. It's crucial to pay close attention to the rhythmic patterns, ensuring you hold each note for its correct duration. Practicing with a metronome set to a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, will greatly improve your timing and accuracy. Once comfortable, try connecting the first and second phrases, aiming for a smooth and musical flow. Finally, let's add some expression to your performance. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections softly and others more loudly, to bring the music to life. Regular practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will yield significant improvement. Listen to various recordings of A Million Dreams to internalize its musicality and phrasing. Most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning and performing this wonderful song on your clarinet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.